10 vape starter kits that are setting Amazon ablaze in 2024. Hold onto your hats, vaping enthusiasts. Just for a second, imagine a world where cutting-edge vape technology merges seamlessly with the exhilaration of a personalized vaping journey. Picture yourself indulging in a symphony of flavors, each puff a unique sensory experience. We've meticulously curated a list of the top 10 vape starter kits that are setting Amazon ablaze in 2024, ensuring you find the perfect vaping companion to elevate your senses. But that's not all. We're also about to unveil a glimpse into the future of vaping technology, where innovation and cutting-edge features promise to redefine your vaping experience. In the ever-evolving landscape of vaping, 2024 has brought forth a wave of innovation and a thriving community of enthusiasts. For those eager to embark on their vaping journey or seeking to elevate their current setup, Amazon's digital shelves offer a vast array of vape starter kits. However, discerning the exceptional from the ordinary can be a challenge. Fear not, fellow vaping aficionados, for we have embarked on a rigorous quest to identify the crème de la crème of vape starter kits that are currently setting Amazon ablaze in 2024. Through meticulous analysis of expert reviews, in-depth user feedback, and real-world performance assessments, we present the top 10 contenders that are poised to redefine your vaping experience. 10. SMOK Nord 4 80W Kit. A true powerhouse in the pod mod arena, the Nord 4 boasts a staggering 80 watts of power, ensuring robust vapor production and intense flavor delivery. Its versatile nature shines through its compatibility with both MTL and DTL vaping styles, thanks to its wide range of coil options: 0, 16.0 RPM 2 mesh coil and 0, 4.0 RPM mesh coil. Users rave about the Nord 4's intuitive adjustable settings, allowing precise control over wattage and airflow. Its sleek zinc alloy chassis exudes a premium feel, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip even during extended vaping sessions. With its large 2000 mAh battery capacity and convenient Type-C charging, the Nord 4 is a reliable companion for vapors on the go. 9. UwellCaliburn G2. A darling of the vaping community, the Caliburn G2 has captured the hearts of vapors with its effortless operation, exceptional flavor reproduction, and elegant aesthetics. This pod system's draw-activated firing mechanism and top-fill design make refilling a breeze. The G2's Pro-Focus flavor technology ensures that every puff is a symphony of taste, while its adjustable airflow caters to various vaping preferences. Its haptic feedback system provides subtle vibrations to alert users of battery levels and other important information. The Caliburn G2's durable construction and leak-resistant design make it a reliable daily driver for beginners and experienced vapors alike. 8. Geekvape B100 Aegis Boost Pro 2. Forged in the fires of innovation and durability, the B100 is a true warrior in the vaping realm. Its IP68 rating makes it impervious to water, dust, and shocks, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures and active lifestyles. The B100's Aegis design language exudes rugged elegance, while its powerful 100W output and 3000 mAh battery deliver exceptional performance. The B100's compatibility with both pod and RDTA modes offers unparalleled versatility, catering to both MTL and DTL enthusiasts. Its bright 1.08-inch color display and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate its various settings. 7. Vaporesso Xros Mini. Small but mighty, the Xros Mini defies its compact size with a flavor-packed vaping experience. Its pulse mode technology enhances both flavor and vapor production, while the Xon chip ensures consistent power output and multiple safety protections. The Xros Mini's 1000 mAh battery provides ample power for all-day vaping, and its SSS leak-resistant technology keeps things clean and tidy. Users have praised its adjustable airflow, comfortable mouthpiece, and impressive flavor for such a small device. 6. VoopooDragSPro A true shapeshifter, the DragSPro seamlessly adapts to both MTL and DTL vaping styles. Its wide wattage range, 580W, and adjustable airflow cater to diverse preferences. The DragSPro's 3000 mAh battery ensures extended vaping sessions, while its GeneFan 3.0 chip provides intelligent coil recognition and multiple safety features. Its leather and metal construction exudes luxury, and its comfortable grip makes it a joy to hold. Users have lauded its versatile nature, intuitive interface, and exceptional performance across various vaping styles. 5. Lost Vape. Ursa Nano Pro, a masterpiece of design and engineering, the Ursa Nano Pro boasts a visually striking form factor and customizable airflow. Its proprietary Quest chip delivers smooth and flavorful vapor with every puff. The Ursa Nano Pro's 900mm battery may seem modest, but its efficient power management ensures a surprisingly long-lasting vaping experience. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for stealth vaping and travel. Reviewers have praised its premium build quality, stylish aesthetics, and satisfyingly tight draw. 4. Vaporesso Target. PM80, a force to be reckoned with, the Target PM80 packs a powerful punch while maintaining a compact and ergonomic design. Its Axon chip and 80W maximum output provide ample power for both MTL and DTL vaping. The Target PM80's 0.96-inch TFT screen displays essential vaping information, while its intuitive button layout allows for easy operation. Its 2000 mAh battery ensures a full day of vaping pleasure. Users have applauded its fast-firing speed, accurate temperature control, and impressive cloud production. Enjoying this vaping adventure? Hit that like button to show your support, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share this video with your fellow vaping enthusiasts, and let's build a community of flavor connoisseurs. 3. Geekvape Wenax K1 SE. A gateway into the vaping world, the Wenax K1 SE is a beginner-friendly pod system that delivers exceptional flavor and ease of use. Its draw-activated firing mechanism eliminates the need for buttons, making it incredibly simple to operate. The Wenax K1 SE's 600 mAh battery may not be the largest, but it provides ample power for casual vaping. Its leak-proof design and comfortable mouthpiece ensure a hassle-free experience. Users have praised its compact size, affordable price, and surprisingly good flavor for an entry-level device. 2. Innokin Endura T18 Seku, a classic pen-style vape that has withstood the test of time. The Endura T18-2 continues to impress with its simplicity, reliability, and user-friendly design. Its Prism flavor optimization technology enhances the flavor of your favorite e-liquids, while its 1300 mAh battery delivers all-day vaping on a single charge. The Endura T18-2's fixed airflow and 14W power output make it ideal for MTL vaping. Reviewers have praised its consistent performance, leak-proof design, and exceptional battery life. 1. FreeMax Onnix. 2. A visual and tactile treat, the Onnix 2 captivates with its striking design and ergonomic grip. Its adjustable airflow control allows you to fine-tune your vaping experience to perfection. The Onnix 2's FM Coiltech 4 Tendro with military-grade SS904L mesh and T-fiber cotton ensures optimal flavor and vapor production. Its 1500 mAh battery and 2A Type-C charging provide ample power and rapid recharging. Users have praised its unique appearance, comfortable feel, and satisfyingly smooth draw. This comprehensive exploration of the top 10 vape starter kits on Amazon in 2024 equips you with the knowledge and insights necessary to embark on your vaping journey with confidence. Whether you're a novice seeking simplicity or a seasoned enthusiast craving customization, there's a perfect kit awaiting your discovery. Remember, the ideal vape starter kit is one that harmonizes with your individual preferences and elevates your vaping experience to new heights. So take your time, delve into the details, and savor the journey of finding your ideal vaping companion. Now let's recap the vaping devices we have talked about. 1. FreeMax Onnix. 2. A visual and tactile treat with a unique design and customizable airflow, delivering a satisfyingly smooth draw. 2. Innokin Endura T18-2, a classic pen-style vape renowned for its simplicity, reliability, and user-friendly interface. 3. Geekvape Wenax K1 SE, a beginner-friendly pod system offering exceptional flavor and ease of use, perfect for those new to vaping. 4. Vaporesso Target PM80, a powerful and portable pod mod with a robust battery and impressive vapor production. 5. Lost Vape Ursa Nano Pro, a masterpiece of design and engineering, boasting a visually striking form factor and customizable airflow. 6. VoopooDragSPro, a versatile shapeshifter, effortlessly adapting to both MTL and DTL vaping styles. 7. Vaporesso Xros Mini. Small but mighty, this pocket-sized pod system delivers a flavor explosion that defies its compact form. 8. Geekvape B100 Aegis Boost Pro 2, a rugged warrior engineered to endure the elements with exceptional performance and versatility. 9. UwellCaliburn G2, a darling of the vaping community, revered for its effortless operation, unmatched flavor, fidelity, and elegant aesthetics. 10. SMOK Nord 4 ATW Kit, a true powerhouse in the pod mod arena, boasting a staggering 80 watts of power and a diverse range of coil options. Get ready to explore the cutting-edge advancements that are shaping the future of vaping. Our upcoming titles will be diving deeper into 1. Smart Vaping, the rise of AI-powered vape mods. Discover how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing vape devices, personalizing your experience and optimizing performance. 2. Flavor Fusion, exploring the next generation of e-liquids. Embark on a sensory journey through the world of innovative e-liquid flavors, from exotic fruit blends to decadent dessert profiles. The world of vaping is evolving at a rapid pace, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned vapor seeking the latest technology or a newcomer eager to explore the world of flavor, Amazon's top 10 vape starter kits offer a gateway to a truly elevated vaping experience. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into our comprehensive review, discover the perfect starter kit for your needs, and embark on a vaping journey that will tantalize your senses and ignite your passion. Ready to elevate your vaping experience? Don't miss out on future deep dives into the latest vaping tech and flavor trends. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow vaping enthusiasts. Let's continue this journey together.